Plus, a notorious criminal promised that he would show up for sentencing today, and he kept his word, but not for long. Good evening. It was all set to be a memorable day for Joe Cabral.
But at the last moment, he decided it was a memory he'd rather avoid. Cabral is a notorious career criminal who came up for sentencing today. But when he saw who was in the courtroom and realized why, he took off. News 13's Alex Tomlin was in the courtroom. She's live in the Newsplex.
Diane, Albuquerque police know Joe Cabral very well. For years, he's been breaking into homes and businesses. They thought he'd be in jail tonight, but he isn't.
Him being larceny under $500, a theft over $500. He was arrested.
Joe Cabral hits pretty much any store selling computers.
Target stores, Walmart, Kohl's, Office Depot.
That's landed him on APD's list of the 5 worst criminals in the city.
He's probably responsible for tens of thousands of dollars of theft. He gets arrested, spends some time in MDC, gets released, and then goes right back to committing the same types of crimes.
Prosecutors combined 3 cases against Cabral and then cut him a plea deal. He was released on his word that he would show back up to court for sentencing, and he did.
Just before he was called up, he told his lawyer he needed to go to the bathroom, and there was a female with him, and they left the courtroom together, and as it turns out, they never came back.
So why did he bolt? Police Chief Ray Schultz says it's because of who was in the audience.
While we were in court today, hoping to send him away for a long time.
2 members of APD's top brass and managers from 2 retail stores Cabral ripped off were waiting to tell the judge how big of a problem Cabral is, hoping the judge would throw the book at him. The effort to get harsher punishments comes from new communication between police and commercial property crime victims. On this private website, retailers post pictures and details of robbers to warn other businesses. Police send out alerts and information about court appearances so businesses can show up. As far as Cabral,
I would bet heavily that he will reoffend while he's out.
Police think so too.
First thing we did this morning is when he skipped out of court is we posted it on our webpage.
They're hoping that if he does go into a retail store, he'll be recognized and arrested. Chief Schultz says one of the biggest problems they have is they can't charge Cabral as a repeat offender because of property crimes. They don't qualify. Back to you.
Okay, Alex. Now, when Cabral does get caught, he won't be getting out this time before his sentencing because he'll be held without bond.